Hey everyone, welcome to my video. Today I'm going to be doing a super pretty date night type of look related to our bridal category, etc. So I'm going to start off by applying some eyebrow product right in my eyebrows, of course. And I decided to start like this because I never do, and honestly it's pretty easy and it does work. I thought, because I always do my foundation first and then my eyebrows and all that, but honestly it's a good method. I recommend it. So I started off by using some brow pomade, and then afterwards I just moved in to apply some gel for our eyebrows because we do want them to stay in place for the whole entire night. I also did some cleaning with the concealer like I usually do. I just applied some concealer right in the top and bottom of my eyebrows, and then I just blended with the sponge. Okay, so I started off by applying some brownish type of shade right in the crease color, and this is going to act as my transition shade, so make sure you blend the edges super well. Now I did a little bit more of that blending. I reapplied, applied more, etc, etc. It's very important that you guys find the right amount of product you want to apply, whether you want it to be a very dark and cute look, or do you want it to be more soft and kind of like for a date, for like a day going out, etc. Okay, so I did apply a little bit of concealer, only a little bit, because I didn't want to create like a cut crease. I just wanted my colors to stand out. So that's basically what I did. This is going to act as a base for my other eyeshadow. Okay, so what I did with my makeup basically was I applied some burgundy shade right in the outer corner and the outer B part of my eye, and then I moved in to apply this Essence pigment, and it's very pretty because it's duochrome and it's something different. It's definitely something that you want to try out because you do want your makeup to stand out, and I figured that with the eyes we could do something different rather than using just one eyeshadow. You guys can also use some like sparkles, glitter, etc. I know that's way too much for like a date night or just like meeting with your fiance, etc. But still, I think you gotta look pretty for your man or your woman. So anyways, there you guys just see me pretty much applying the shade and kind of like working with the colors, and I decided that it was better to apply it with my finger rather than using a brush because it was kind of hard actually. And then afterwards I just did my eyeliner. And always remember, a winged eyeliner is the perfect thing to do when you're doing a very dramatic look. Okay, now taking my favorite foundation of all time. It's the Revlon Color Stay. I don't know, I just really love the scent of this foundation. I know not many people are a big fan of it. I know it's kind of like an old foundation, but I still love it. Like, honestly, I really do. I think I will repurchase it like many times until it's discontinued. So anyways, I just pretty much apply that right in my face, and I just blend it with a brush because it was a lot faster and it gave me a lot more coverage than using a blending like a blending sponge or just anything like that. And I still use that a little bit to kind of like take away some products, some excess, etc. And then I apply some in my under eye area because I did want it to create like a very flawless type of skin. Hey guys, so now taking the Maybelline powder, I forgot what's the name of this one, and I just pretty much kind of set my whole entire face with that product. Remember, we don't want it to crease during the day, and we want our face to look matte. We don't want it to be kind of oily, etc. So to prevent that, you just apply a lot of powder and make sure you guys apply the right shade. I also did a little bit of blending because I thought my eyeshadow looked kind of like funky in that part. And then I applied some blush, and I used this one. I forgot what brand. It's this one, and this one is very pretty because it's like a pinky shade, and I love blushes with a very pinky undertone, etc. So yeah, I pretty much just applied my blush, and then I did some highlight. I'm gonna be using the e.l.f. Pinktastic, I think it's called. I don't know. It's very pretty, it's very affordable, and it's super pretty. It's very glowy, etc. Okay, so I showed you there I was gonna apply mascara, and I did eventually. But first of all, I wanted to do my lips, so I took this Rimmel, the Kate collection, and I applied this very pretty burgundy shade. So pretty. I love this lipstick, and I had it in my collection for a very long time, and I never used it, but now I'm in love with it. So I'm gonna start using it again because I really like it. It's like a perfect burgundy shade. It is a little bit like moisturizing, so it does move around a little bit when you drink coffee or just anything in general, but I still love it. And then afterwards, I just pretty much apply my mascara, and I love how they turned out. This whole entire look, it's one of my favorites because it's like definitely one you can wear to your like super important event or just anything, because it's just so dramatic. And you can switch the colors, like let's say if you want to add, like if you don't want the burgundy shade, you can add something more neutral, but the duochrome eyeshadow makes it look so wonderful, and I'm just in love with it. And I think with lashes it will look fantastic. So anyways guys, this is pretty much the final result. I hope you guys really enjoyed this video and can recreate it. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more content like this. Bye bye.